Hello everyone, this is Ross with Market Traders Daily, and this is today's video analysis for May 15, 2020. Today we're taking a look at the EURUSD, the euro, versus the US dollar for today's trade analysis. Now, it's been a pretty good week of trading. Don't really want to mess that up today, but we've had some pretty good profit. Hopefully you are rounding out your week in profit. Looking here at the euro dollar, it has basically been following what the USD has been doing. USD has been going up. It's been kind of range bound, and today breaking a little bit higher today. So in that case, with the USD going up, we would tend to sell the euro dollar. Just a quick peek at the USD and what we've been looking at. There it is right there. See it here in this blue box on the right hand side, dollar index. Been bouncing around in there. Look at today. We're above that blue box. It tried to get there yesterday. Today we're a little bit more above it. If the trend continues and this goes up to that double black line at the top, we'll look at that a little bit deeper in the trade room today. Then I think we're looking for a good rally on the dollar, which would lead the euro dollar lower. That's typically the way that we're going to look at that. So if that's the case, we're looking for opportunity to go short underneath the yellow shaded area. 1.082008 05 is that yellow shaded area. Pink zone 1.0785 765. That's what we're looking at down here, bottom of the blue box on the left hand side. We're underneath that yellow zone. Very important. With the US dollar above that blue box that we just looked at, and the euro dollar under the yellow zone, we're looking for triggers. We're looking for entry signals to get in. One of the signals that we've been discussing a lot in the trade room is the Hawkeye volume indicators that you see here on the right. So we often talk about direction. The three things you need: direction, where to make the entry, and when to make the entry. So we're looking at that dollar chart and saying, well, our direction is bullish dollar, and that's pretty much what we've been focused on all week long. Made some pretty handsome profits on rising dollar trades. So bullish dollar. So in that case, our direction focus would be for short on the Euro USD. So that's our direction. Then we think about the where. Where are we going to make that trading decision? And so the colored shaded areas that you see on my left chart are the where that's going to happen: purple, yellow, pink, orange. Doesn't matter the color. That's just where we would look to make that entry or exit, but entry in this case is what we're looking for. And then the when can be determined by a lot of different things: price action, some sort of oscillator indicator like stochastic MACD, Bollinger Band, or you could use an indicator like what we're looking at on the right, the volume indicator. When it turns, pretty easy to see. When it turns red, top to bottom, and you can see that right about right here, you have the red trend dots, the red heat map, and the red volume indicator at the very bottom. When it all turns red, that's an indication that volume is turning bearish, and you could be looking for an opportunity to go short on the euro dollar. Now, if it turns green, then that would be the opposite. But I think it's very interesting that we see it turning red and bearish when on the left hand side we're underneath that what was support now acting as resistance, yellow shaded area 1.080820. In fact, let's go ahead and draw that yellow shaded area over here on the right hand side. So I'm just going to change this up to be the yellow color to match what we're seeing there on the left hand side, and that's 1.0820, which is here, and 1.0805. And by the way, this is what we do in the trade room just about every day. We analyze the market, we look for opportunity. So there it is. There's the yellow shade area. So you can see it's finding resistance within, for the past couple of hours, it's been within that yellow zone, finding resistance, now turning underneath it. And so our expectation then is that it's going to go all the way down to the pink zone. We'll draw that pink zone in there too. That is going to be 785 and 765. And we're going to go over here and turn it to this pink color because that's what it is on the chart. And there it is. So there's the pink zone. So that's our expectation for the euro dollar, is that we see it finding resistance at the yellow zone while the USD is going up. We look for it to fall down to the next decision point in the market. Whether you call it support, resistance, supply, demand, doesn't really matter to me. I like to refer to them as decision points. My decision is sell the yellow zone, target the pink zone, or lower, but the pink zone becomes our initial target here for the euro dollar on the way down from the 1.0805 level, in agreement with the rising USD that we've seen this week.
From Forex Traders Daily, this has been your daily analysis with Ross Mullins. If you would like to get Ross's analysis on all the currency pairs he's watching and all the trades he takes today, join him in his live trade room by clicking on the link below. Please leave any comments you have about today's video in the comments section below.